Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are having a great day. If you have been paying attention to the Dogecoin price comparatively to a lot smaller tokens, Doge price is doing a little bit worse, but it is still in positive unlike other tokens. I do want to mention the trading volume is down 25%, but it's not very bad because it is still the 10th most traded crypto in the world, which shows that there is a lot of whales which are still paying very close attention. While our boy Elon Musk decides to talk about US dollar and at the same time make fun of scam coins. So he's getting back into his rhythm. We might be selling something crazy while Tesla is trending on Twitter. Analysts think Dogecoin will hit $1 very soon and another one confirming $1. Before we get into all of this, if you guys are here for the first time, you want to stay up to date with everything to do with Dogecoin, scroll down, tap the red subscribe button. Right there, slap a like on the video, just help the YouTube algorithm push the video to more people see the positive side of Doge, decide to buy into it, it starts spiking up and all of us make a lot of profit. So make sure you go down and slap a like on it. Now first of all, I want to tell you guys a little bit of perspective. I really like when my viewers are really open-minded and they want to learn everything, and that is exactly what I want to tell you. So you guys can see today with Pepe and Bonk are doing really good comparatively to Doge and Shiba Inu. Now why is that? Because you guys need to pay attention that Doge and Shiba is much larger compared to any of these tokens. Now I'm not saying that means hey, Shiba and Doge can just stay calm and do nothing, but you need to pay attention that it takes a little bit more credit to be able to get this moving. Only thing that you need to pay attention to is you need to be a little bit more calmer and pay attention to the trading volume. Now what is really interesting is you guys can see that if I put the trading volume in max, you can see that Dogecoin is the most traded meme token right now. Also, if you pay attention to the market value, now Doge is still holding on to its slot quite strongly, and I am talking about some important slot as it is still holding on to the 9th spot. If we are able to have another, I'd say 8 to 9% increase, we will be breaking Cardano. But why is our boy Elon Musk is in the books again? Well, today he tweeted these out. These scam coins are getting crazy. One, someone just shitted me. 27 trillion in circulation, unlimited supply cap, only one node, 25% of supply minted in the last 6 months, 1% of the holder owns 30%. JK, that's US dollar. So he's obviously just talking about meme tokens, but in a reference to US dollar to try to make fun of the US dollar, but he's also mentioning that he is paying attention to crypto right now. On the other end, our boy Elon Musk also tweeted something else out, which actually took me by a little bit of surprise, but you guys can see, just a reminder, you can upload 4-hour long videos on this platform, and he simply retweeted the Doge designer. Now this is going to be one of the factors that we need to keep paying attention to, as our boy Elon is doing some really interesting thing. He is actually retweeting Doge designer a lot more frequently than a lot of us think. Now some people will say, Sky, he has done that before, but now he's doing it a lot more frequently. Then this was another post which was hinting to Pepe, which is really interesting because that means that he's actually paying attention to meme tokens. Therefore, when Dogecoin's day comes, which will be 1st of April, memes day, there is going to be some sort of big news which is going to take us all by surprise. On the other end, analysts think Dogecoin will hit $1 in 2024 after the recent surge. Why? Because if you guys pay attention that in the 2017 market, you can see it went up. Then it went back into a little bit of consolidation from 2018 to 2021. Then we saw another surge, pretty much similar type of surge. As you can see, a little bit of consolidation going up. We're in the same thing. We broke out, which is exactly what happens the first time, goes into consolidation and breaks out again. And when it breaks out the second time, if you put the same mapping, it would come to $1. And as you can see, another one is confirming the same thing. This is showing you how strong the Dogecoin community really is and how much is happening behind the back. You just need to pay attention to a little bit. Now, this is our boy Sir Doge. Today he tweeted out saying Dogecoin to the moon, which is good because he has been very quiet recently. And you also need to pay attention to the price action, as today, even though it says that we are up, I feel like we're just in the same place. It's not really moving, but we are in the consolidation zone, which we were talking about. There's going to be a small consolidation zone like this. And once the consolidation zone is over, we will be able to see a strong uptrend. Now that uptrend is going to expected to take us over $1, because usually that uptrend actually breaks the previous high, and that previous high is close to 80 cents, and usually if it breaks it, then it's going to go at least 20 to 30% above, which for now is going to be $1, and that's pretty much what everyone is expecting Doge to do right now. So now talking about boy, now at all times I hold 99% of my crypto and Dogecoin in a self wallet. My strategy is simple. Most of the crypto in self cold wallets and official backups from the Dogecoin core. Smaller amounts in self hot wallets. Now smartphone wallets like My Doge or Trust, at least 3 offline backups for each of them above. The reason he's mentioning this is because there is some exchanges which are doing some shady things to new investors, so he's trying to get the new investors to be safe. And while we're talking about some exchanges, let's talk about Binance, which is slowly continuing their meme promotion for Shiba Inu, Doge, WIF and others. Why is this a big deal? Because they wanted to carry it on, but they're carrying it on even more. Therefore, you need to pay attention, as this is going to be one of the driving factors. I mean, Binance is the largest, you know, when it comes to pretty much crypto in general, it is the largest exchange. So if they're promoting meme tokens and using that the way to promote their platform, it's obviously going to have a lot of positive impact on it. Now talking about boy Billy, who is the creator of Doge. Now I dreamt that Dogecoin went to $1.69 each and everyone was freaking out. I was like, oh man, maybe I can put down a payment for a house, and then instantly crashed to 40 cents, and I was like, oh dang, and then woke up and it was 16 cents and I had to go to work. The sarcasm I like. That's all I'm gonna say. Now learn more about Dogecoin. Now this was posted on Forex Live. What I really find interesting about this is there is more, you know, pretty much more platforms which are slowly starting to actually talk about Dogecoin in a sense that it's something new. Why is this so important? Well, because you guys need to pay attention. There is going to be new investors that will be coming into the market, and this shows that new investors are coming in. I mean, Doge has over 6.2 million holders, so we need some help explaining everything to everyone. Just keep in mind 15th of April is going to be a big day, because that's when $1 is expected, and at the same time 420, which is going to be 20th of April, is going to be another big day. Right now the whole market is in green, but at the same time the meme coins are a little bit slower when it comes to Dogecoin and Shiba Inu. Just be a little cautious, do your trading, and you will be fine. Other than that, I hope you guys did enjoy today's video. If you did, drop a like on it. If you're new to the channel, want to stay up to date with everything, subscribe, and I'll see you very soon.